Hello everyone. Today we're making one of my all-time favorite comfort foods, Hearty Hamburger Soup. This one's perfect for a cozy night. In my Instant Pot, I have 1.5 pounds of ground beef and half an onion diced and all of it browned, 3 celery stalks chopped, 4 carrots sliced, 2 cans of stewed tomatoes. You can also use diced, 1 can of tomato soup, 3 cans of beef consommé. Give it a stir. And now for the seasonings. Half teaspoon thyme, 1 or 2 bay leaves, a handful of parsley, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and garlic salt. 6 cups of water. Give it a stir. Put the lid on and cook it on high pressure for 30 minutes. Or you can bring it all to a boil in a large soup pot on the stove, and when it's boiling, turn it down to simmer for 2 to 3 hours. When it's finished cooking, you can discard the used parsley. And there it is, a beautiful, hearty bowl of hamburger soup. So flavorful, loaded with veggies, and perfect for meal prep too. Thanks for watching. If you love homemade meals like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss what's cooking next time.